Everyday motoring can make keeping your alloy wheels in pristine condition a challenge. Damaged alloy wheels could reduce the value of your car and leave you with an expensive repair bill. You cannot prevent the inevitable, but you can be prepared with GardX Assure tyre and alloy wheel protection. A fast and efficient alloy wheel mobile repair service with a nationwide network of qualified technicians. We can arrange for repairs to your alloy wheels to be done at home or at work with minimal fuss. And whilst we're talking wheels, there is no easy way to protect your vehicle's tyres. Accidental and malicious damage can also be costly and inconvenient, which is why GardX Assure tyre and alloy wheel protection can help. We could either repair your damaged tyre or replace it with a like-for-like replacement, relieving you of the financial burden and getting you safely back on the road. Alloy wheel repairs are guaranteed for 12 months. Included is GardX Tyre Guard, our temporary puncture repair solution. Registering a claim is quick and easy with our mobile claims app. Keep your car in showroom condition and safeguard your no claims bonus with GardX tyre and alloy wheel protection.